Hi everyone, I believe everyone is safe at home. So now in this video we are going to be learning a new lesson from 6th English Unit 2 Prose When the Trees Walked. Okay, so this story is written by Ruskin Bond. So now we are going to see the section 1 of the lesson. So now let's move to the lesson. So children, I will read them and explain you. So listen to me carefully. So one morning, while I was sitting beside grandfather on the veranda steps, I noticed the tendril of a creeping vine trailing nearby. As we sat there in the soft sunshine of a North Indian winter, I saw the tendril moving slowly towards grandfather. 20 minutes later, it had crossed the step and was touching his feet. So here, the author Ruskin Bond is narrating the story. That means he is telling us the story. Okay. So one morning, so while he was sitting on the veranda steps with his grandfather, the author noticed the tendril moving slowly towards his grandfather. Okay. That means the tendril na kodi அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So you can see it on the screen. The picture that is called tendril. So he noticed a tendril moving slowly towards his grandfather. Okay. As he sat there in the soft sunshine of a North Indian winter, I saw the tendril moving slowly towards his grandfather. Okay. So when they are sitting on the veranda steps is in the winter season, isn't it? Winter na kulirgalam அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So in the winter season, the entire place will be looking chill and cold, isn't it? So in the period, in the time, the author noticed the tendril moving slowly towards his grandfather. Okay, இந்த டைமில் அந்த டெண்டல் வந்து ஸ்லோவாக அவருடைய கிராண்ட்ஃபாதரை நோக்கி போயிட்டுருக்கு. 20 minutes later, it had crossed the step and was touching his feet. So after 20 minutes, that tendril crossed the steps. And the steps cross பண்ணிட்டு and it was touching his grandfather's feet. It was touching his grandfather's feet. அப்படியே அதை தாண்டி அவருடைய grandfather's ஃபீட்டை டச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. What is that? That tendril. Okay. So winter means குளிர்காலம். So there is probably a scientific explanation for the plant's behavior, something to do with light and warmth perhaps, but I like to think it moved across the steps simply because it wanted to be near grandfather. One always felt like drawing close to him. Sometimes when I sat by myself beneath the tree, I would feel rather lonely, but as soon as grandfather joined me, the garden became a happy place. So there is probably a scientific explanation for the plant's behavior, isn't it? So why the tendril is moving slowly towards his grandfather means there are two reasons the author gives. First reason, it may be moving because towards the light and warmth. Okay. So without light and warmth, no plant can grow. No plant can survive, isn't it? So this is the first reason, scientific reason. And second reason why the tendril is moving slowly towards his grandfather means that tendril loves being with his grandfather. Okay. Loves to be with the grandfather. That is why the tendril is going towards his grandfather. Okay. So the author gives two reasons. One is scientific reason. Without warm and light, no plant can grow and survive. Second reason why the tendril is going slowly towards his grandfather means because the tendril allows being with his grandfather. That is the reason. That is the two reasons given by the author. Okay. Sometimes when I sat by myself beneath a tree, I would feel rather lonely, but as soon as a grandfather joined me, the garden became a happy place. Okay. So whenever he sits under the tree alone, he feels lonely. அப்படியே எப்போல்லாம் ஒரு தனியாக மரத்துக்கு கீழே உட்காராரோ ஸோ he feels lonely அப்படியே தனிமையாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாரு. Who feels lonely? The author Ruskin Bond. But this will be vanished when his grandfather joins him. அவருடைய grandfather எப்போ அவங்க கூட சேர்றாரோ the entire garden will become happy place. When he joins him, the entire garden will become a happy place. Okay, so this is the reason. So Beneath, that means ideal அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். When the author feels happy, so when he feels happy means when his grandfather joins him, he feels so happy. Okay. Grandfather had served many years in the Indian Forest Service, and it was a natural that he should know trees and like them. On his retirement, he built a bungalow on the outskirts of Dehradun, planting trees all around: lime, mango, orange, and guava, also eucalyptus, jacaranda, and Persian lilacs. In the fertile Doon Valley, plants and trees grew tall and strong. So, the grandfather has served many years in the Indian Forest Service, and it was natural that he should know trees and like them. So, he has served many years in the Indian Forest Service, so he knows about trees, and he knows about all the trees, as well as he loves all the trees. Okay. So on his retirement, he built a bungalow on the outskirts of Dehradun. Okay, after his retirement, he built a bungalow. ஒரு பங்களாவை கட்டுறாரு எங்க just outside the டெஹாட்ரூம்ன்ற அந்த நாட்டுக்கு வெளியில் அவர் வந்து ஒரு பங்களா கட்டுறாரு when after his retirement. Okay, so around his bungalow he planted lot of trees. He planted different species of trees like lime, mango, orange, and guava. So not only this, and also he has built eucalyptus, jacaranda, and Persian lilacs. So these are also he has planted around his bungalow. Okay, eucalyptus means is a kind of tree, and also jacaranda you can see it on the first screen. You can see it on the first picture. Okay, that is called jacaranda. And Persian lilac means in the second picture you can see the picture. In the second picture there is a tree that is called Persian lilac. Okay, first picture jacaranda, second picture Persian lilac. In the fertile Don Valley, plants and trees grew tall and strong. Okay, so I told you already that around this bungalow there were lot of trees. There were different species of trees, so they have grown tall and stronger. Okay. There were other trees in the compound before the house was built, including an old people that had forced its way through the walls of an abandoned outhouse, knocking the bricks down with its vigorous growth. People trees are great show off, even when the trees is no breeze. Their broad-chested, slim-waisted leaves will spin like tops determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. Grandmother had wanted the peepal tree cut down, but grandfather had said, "Let it be. We can always build another outhouse." So there were other trees in the compound before the house was built. Okay, so I told you already that after his retirement he built a bungalow. Around it he planted a different species of trees, isn't it? So along with the trees there were some old trees like people tree. So அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே சில மரங்கள் அந்த காம்பவுண்ட் சுற்றி இருந்துச்சு. அதில் வந்து people tree ஒன்று. Okay, people tree. Okay, அப்படி peopleனா அரச மரம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So it was growing strong and tall. Okay, the people that had forced its way through the walls of an abandoned outhouse, knocking the bricks down with its vigorous growth. Okay, so அதனுடைய vigorous growth அப்படியே பிரம்மாண்டமான வளர்ச்சி. So it forced its way through the walls of an abandoned outhouse. Okay, ஒரு outhouse நல்லா இடிச்சிருக்கு எது அந்த people tree, because it has grown bigger and taller, so that it destroying the walls of the outhouse. Okay, அது பெருசாக வளர்ந்து அந்த செவர் எல்லாமே இடிக்குது எது அந்த people tree. Okay, இந்த அவுட்ஹவுஸ்னுடைய செவர் எல்லாமே இடிச்சிட்ருக்கு. பிரிஸ்க்னா அது செங்கல் எல்லாமே இடிச்சிருக்கு எது அந்த people tree, because it has grown bigger and stronger. People trees are always a show off, great show off. அப்படி பார்க்கறது எப்படி இருக்கும், பார்க்கறது அழகாக இருக்கும். People trees are, they are looking so bigger and as well as they look so beautiful. Even when there is no breeze, their broad-chested, slim-waisted leaves will spin like tops determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. Okay, so even though there is no breeze under the tree, it will be inviting you to its shade. Okay, அங்கே காற்று இருந்தால் கூட it will be inviting you to its shade, because that tree is looking so greenish, as well as it is so bigger and taller, so that it will be attracting the people to come its shade. Okay, to come into his shade. Grandmother had wanted the people tree cut down, but her grandfather had said, let it be, we can always build another outhouse. Okay, the grandmother says that we better cut down the tree because it is destroying the walls of the outhouse, so we better cut it down. Who says like this? Grandmother. But grandfather says that no, we should not cut the tree, let it be, no problem, let it be, we can build another outhouse. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், இன்னொரு outhouse கட்டிக்கலாம், so no problem, let the tree be, அந்த ட்ரீயை விட்டுறலாம், ஸோ நோ நீட் டு கட் டவுன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார். யார்? கிராண்ட்ஃபாதர். அபேண்டன் அப்படின்னா கைவிடப்பட்ட அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, ஸோ அபேண்டன்ட் அவுட் ஹவுஸ், கைவிடப்பட்ட ஒரு வீடு, அவுட் ஹவுஸ். ஓகே, அபேண்டன்ட். விகோரஸ், விகோரஸ் மீன்ஸ் தீவிரமாக, பிரம்மாண்டமாக அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். விகோரஸ் மீன்ஸ் அ பிக்கர், ஸ்ட்ராங்கர். ஓகே, ப்ரீஸ், தென்றல், காற்று. ஓகே, ப்ரீஸ் மீன்ஸ் காற்று, யூனோ, தென்றல். ஓகே. Grandmother did not mind trees, but she preferred growing flowers and was constantly ordering catalogs and seeds. Grandfather helped her out with gardening, not because he was crazy about flower gardens, but because he liked watching butterflies, and there is only one way to attract butterflies, he said, and that is to grow flowers for them. Okay, grandmother loves planting plants in the garden, and also she loves flowers. Okay, so she preferred, our grandmother எது விருப்பம்னா அந்த கார்டனில் சில அழகழகான பூக்களை வைக்கணும்னு யாருக்கு ரொம்ப விருப்பம்னா grandmothersக்கு. So that she constantly ordering catalogs and seeds. She's always ordering seeds for the plants. You know, she loves gardening, you know, so she's ordering lot of things to plant in the garden. Okay, and also she loves flower plants, so that she ordering lot of flower plants and she is planting them in the garden. Grandfather helped her out with the gardening, not just because he was crazy about flowers gardening, but because he liked watching butterflies. Okay, but grandfather helping grandmother planting the plants in the garden. It doesn't mean that he loves gardening. It means that he wants to watch all the butterflies and all the things. Actually, grandfather doesn't like planting flowers in the garden. Okay, he loves only the trees, isn't it? But grandmother loves gardening, loves flowers, planting flowers in the garden. So that grandfather is helping grandmother to plant all the things in the garden, but it doesn't mean that he loves flowers. But he loves only one thing. Why he is helping his grandmother is just to attract, because the flowers will attract all the butterflies and some other creatures, isn't it? So just to watch them, he is helping them. He is helping her. Okay, just to watch butterflies, grandfather is helping grandmother just to plant the trees in the garden. Okay, there is only one way to attract butterflies, he said, and that is to grow flowers for them. Okay, why he is helping grandmother is just to attract the butterflies. So we cannot find butterflies without flowers, isn't it? So if you want to attract butterflies and some other creatures, means you have to plant flowers in your garden. Okay, then only you will be attracting everything, isn't it? So that is why grandmother is planting all the flowers in the garden. Okay, prefer means விரும்புதல், catalog, பட்டியல், crazy, ஒரு very. Okay, grandfather is not crazy about flowers. He is crazy about only planting trees, or tall trees, isn't it? So let's talk about the next thing in the next video. Okay, wish you all the best, children.